If your Dell 1815DN is jamming at the fuser or has a grinding sound, you most likely need to replace the fuser drive assembly. The part number is D1815-W3. Power off and unplug the machine. Remove the paper tray and open the front door. Remove the screw to the right of the print cartridge. Now remove the screw behind the paper tray on the right-hand side. Remove the 4 screws on the back cover. Open and remove the memory cover. Take out the duplex unit and unattach the back cover. Carefully place the machine on its side and remove the right side cover. To do this, pull the bottom of the cover out and up. Unscrew the 3 screws that hold in the fuser drive assembly. Pull out and unplug the drive assembly. Set the new fuser drive assembly in place and screw in the 3 screws. Plug in the cable and reattach the right side cover. Place the machine upright. Reattach the back cover and screw in the 4 screws. Reinstall the duplex unit and reattach the memory cover. Screw in the 2 screws on the front of the machine. Reinstall the paper tray and power on the printer. The machine should now be working properly. To order this part or any of your printer needs, please log on to www.iteminc.com. That's www.iteminc.com. eminc.com. For free technical support, give us a call at 1-800-367-4836.